Okay, don't hire the wrong attorney. Use this $7 playbook instead. The wrong attorney is going to cost you everything in your case. So I want you to hire smart and not hire out of being scared. Now, most people will hire an attorney based on a Google review or a friend or even possibly a Facebook post, but that's a waste of time, money, and emotional energy that you do not want to spend. The Ultimate Attorney Hiring Playbook Guide is going to give you an interview cheat sheet. It's really going to help you stay on task during that consultation. You should be able to know what to ask and what to avoid and how to spot some bullshit. All right. So it's built for high conflict cases and it's not for cookie cutter cases. It's for that case that's really over the top. You want to make sure that you find that right attorney for that. So it's going to include a bunch of red flags to avoid, interview questions, a confidence checklist, and bonus material. If you already have an attorney, it's going to double check to make sure that you have the right attorney. All right. So why me? I have been you. I've been on that side of the table. I have fired and hired 2, 3 attorneys myself in all of the years that I've been going through my case. And I created it for parents who were exactly me in that high stake divorce and probably blind to it at first. I want to make sure that you are not me and you pick that attorney that knows how to handle a case like you. So people that have purchased this playbook are saying, hey, I fired my bad attorney thanks to this checklist because they were not, and it gave me validation. I think if I wish I would have had this before, it would have saved me thousands of dollars. Another parent said it helped me feel like I had control again. So download this playbook now for just $7. Make the right move to save your future self a shit ton of money.